All the Pacific Fleet's battleships were in port for the weekend for the first time since July 4th. Normally they took turns spending time in port. Nevada was not moored alongside another battleship off Ford Island, and therefore was able to maneuver, unlike the other 7 battleships present. Japanese pilots intended to sink her in the channel to block the harbor. Nevada was ordered to proceed to the west side of Ford Island to prevent her from sinking in deeper water. However, she was grounded off Hospital Point. The Nevada was an older ship and was also used in World War I. At the end of World War II, it was decided that she was just too old to rebuild for the modern Navy. The Vestal was a repair ship and was moored next to the Arizona to help do some minor repairs to her. The men cut Vestal's mooring lines, freeing her from the Arizona, and she got underway, steering by engines alone. Although damaged herself, the Vestal participated in some of the post-attack salvage operations, sending repair parties to the overturned hull of the battleship Oklahoma so that welders could cut into the ship and rescue men trapped there when she was capsized. During the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, the Arizona was bombed. After a bomb detonated in the power magazine, the battleship exploded violently and sank, with the loss of 1,177 officers and crewmen. Unlike many of the other ships sunk or damaged that day, Arizona was irreparably damaged by the force of the magazine explosion. The Navy removed parts of the ship above the waterline for use on other damaged ships. The wreck lies at the bottom of Pearl Harbor, and the USS Arizona Memorial, dedicated on May 30th, 1962, to all those who died during the harbor attack, straddles but does not touch the ship's hull. On the morning of December 7th, 1941, Tennessee was moored starboard side of a pair of masonry mooring quays on Battleship Row. During the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor, the crewmen of Tennessee manned her anti-aircraft guns, and they attempted to defend the harbor and their ship as well as they could. During the raid, the Tennessee was struck by 2 armor-piercing bombs that detonated incompletely. Tennessee was showered with debris when the magazine of Arizona exploded, and her stern was engulfed in flames from Arizona's burning fuel oil. Wedged between the sunken West Virginia and her mooring quays, Tennessee was trapped at her berth for 10 days before being freed, and 4 days later she set sail for the West Coast to be repaired.